Hello guys and welcome to Being Foodie, and today I'm going to show you how you can make Hariyali chicken kebab or the Harabhara chicken kebab. So let's quickly check on the ingredients. Take chicken in a big bowl to which add 1 cup of hung curd, 4 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of spinach paste, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves paste. Now mix all the ingredients together. Squeeze half a lemon. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Now mix all the ingredients together again. Finally add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now keep this marinated chicken inside the fridge for 8 to 10 hours before baking. Arrange the kebabs into the wooden skewers. And place it on a baking tray. Now keep this inside the oven and bake it on 450 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Turn sides if needed. After 30 to 40 minutes, take out the chicken kebabs and serve them hot. So thank you guys for watching Being Foodie, and if you like the video, then do subscribe, comment and share.